El Hierro es la primera isla en el mundo que se sostiene solamente con energía renovable.
Nosotros tenemos el poder.
We have the power.
If Repsol makes drilling, the money gets out of Canary economy. But if Canary Island develops renewable energy, the money stays on the islands and spreads on hundreds of small enterprises and into the population of the islands. We think that the future goes in that direction, that fossil fuels are fossil, they must rest in peace because they are fossils, and we have to create an economy based on innovation, based on knowledge, and based on spreading all that benefits on the population. Canary Islands are roughly 2 million people. We are the market, but the same people that are part of that market has to have the benefits of clean energy and a clean environment and the biodiversity of Canary Islands. On the technological area, there are problems, but the problems are interesting, are inspiring, are motivating. So that kind of problems are very useful, very easy, it's a challenge for the mind and the brain. But the low problems are many times not so stimulating. And so this is for me the biggest challenge, and to have a strong and clear response to the drilling threat that we have at this moment, and to put all the resources together, telling clearly to Canary people that the people creates the market, and the people are the owner of the wind and the sun. If you have the hook to take the energy that passes on our ceiling, it doesn't mean that you are the owner of the wind. You only are the owner of the hook, and it's possible that you have a big benefit because you have made the investment and more work than another one, but you are not 100% the owner. At El Hierro Island, we have been building for roughly 15 years, making all the works to build a facility, a hydro-aeolic pump station, that is able to produce 100% of the electricity of the island. That facility has just finished their construction, and so I think it's a big opportunity to have an example how fluctuation energy like wind can be stable via pumping water to 600 meters above sea level and turbining again to sea level, and this is a way to store clean energy. For Canary Islands, I think that one of the best dreams we can have is to have an energy model based 100% on renewable energy. We have wind energy, we have photovoltaics, we have even examples of how the same roads where the cars go from one place to other should be used as a surface for generating energy, and it's possible to transform wind energy or photovoltaic energy into biodiesel to store clean energy. So if we have solved the problem of the storage of clean energy, we don't have any kind of problem. And so we have made the calculations for for which is the investment needed for that. If we decide to do it and we put the efforts and the target on the schedule, we can do it in 8 years, in 10 years, and we really think that is the best decision we can make, because it's efficient, it's competitive, has knowledge, has innovation, has opportunities for all the people, and we have the responsibility to make it happen. I enjoy the sea. For me, the best place to be is the sea. I have a sailing ship, and the best place to be is in a sunny day, looking the fish, the sea bottom, the life, the light, the colors, and so on. So people who make kite surf, windsurf, and surfing, and so on, is using the wind, the waves, and the water like the elements to enjoy the life and to be in contact with nature. So I think if you are able to live with that, you are really living the best way that you can be on Earth.